Chinese fire drill, you sit in the seat, buckle your seatbelt, move on to the next seat, it's timed. Winners get $10 gift cards, 2010 Acura TL, come on up.
Once again, thank you Tustin Acura for sponsoring this event. In addition, guys, come on up. We got about 10 more minutes. All you need is a group of 4, and the time to beat is 24 seconds. Check, check, check. All right, we got another group going. Make sure you lock and go. Don't cheat. There you go. Good job. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Rock and go. I know you gon' play the that, and it's only right you ain't feeling let alone rating that, but baby,
We've got some teams practicing and getting ready to go. Some $10 gift cards. Can I get a seatbelt buckle?
So we're going to be asking 2 trivia questions. Whoever can answer these questions correct will get 1 shirt. The first question is, what % of fatal car crashes are a result of not wearing seatbelts? Alright, it's between 45 and 75%. Darian got it right. It's 63% of car crashes are a result of not wearing seatbelts. That's 63% of fatal car crashes result because people are not wearing seatbelts in cars. So every senior that's still here, almost graduating, 19 more days. And thank you, Tustin Acura. All right, we have 1 shirt left. 1 more question. The question is, how many teens in the thousands die as a result of car crashes each year? Number of car crashes in the thousands, number of fatalities in the thousands. She got it right, 5 in the 5,000. In 2007, it was something like 5,600 car deaths.